In this video, we will continue answering questions from our previous video, addressing the remaining inquiries and providing further clarification and insight. So the question says, what is the second smallest mark? So what you're gonna do is equal small, then simply select your data, then you press column and 2, which is the second smallest mark, then you press enter. Now we got 3, which is our second smallest mark. Then the following question says, what is the 15th highest mark? The 15th highest mark, you can just say equal large. Now select your data, column, then 15, then press enter. This is our 15th highest mark. Then following question says, what is the middle mark? You can say median, select your data, close your bracket, then this is your answers. Thank you for watching, guys. Please watch the following video to continue answering these questions.